drive, wide open lane, good! Ford got it, here's Gage for a three. Yeah! That one's good, baby!
Wow, what a hockey game. I'm sorry if it's really late at night. Georgia hangs on and beats Florida Atlantic 4-3. The Owls scored 2 goals in 5 seconds with 4 minutes to play to make it a 3-4 victory. I mean a 3-4 game. Georgia hung on. Florida Atlantic had like a chance with 30 seconds left, and Georgia held it all off. Georgia got out to scored first. FAU then scored again, and Georgia managed to win the game with a goal in the third period. A great hockey game, though. So proud of the Ice Dogs. We'll play the winner of EUAU or something like that in Tennessee. So we're probably gonna play Tennessee, but let's go dog. Let's go Ice Dogs, and what a victory! It's 1:09. I got to go to bed, but.
The unthinkable, the unbelievable. They beat Arkansas and go wire to wire to win the SEC tournament.